Choosing the right waveform generator can be tricky. Unstable signals, limited frequency range, low sampling rates, and poor waveform accuracy often limit performance in labs and workshops. That's why modern DDS and arbitrary waveform generators matter. They offer precise output, dual channel control, multiple waveform types, and advanced modulation features. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best waveform generators of 2026, reliable tools for electronics testing, R&D labs, education, and repair work. We analyzed specs, real user feedback, and performance value to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Number 5. FeelElec FY6900-100M DDS Signal Generator. The FeelElec FY6900-100M is a powerful dual-channel DDS signal and arbitrary waveform generator designed for advanced testing. It supports frequencies up to 100 MHz with clean sine, square, pulse, and custom waveforms. The built-in frequency meter improves measurement accuracy, while USB connectivity allows PC-based waveform control. Its clear display and stable output make it suitable for RF experiments, lab testing, and circuit debugging. For users needing wide frequency range and flexibility at a reasonable price, this generator delivers solid performance. Number 4. Juntek JDS6600 DDS Function Generator. The Juntek JDS6600 series offers flexible options ranging from 15 MHz to 60 MHz, making it popular among hobbyists and professionals. This dual-channel DDS generator supports arbitrary waveforms, pulse signals, and frequency measurement. It features a clear LCD interface, intuitive controls, and reliable signal stability. With USB PC control and strong value-for-money performance, it's ideal for electronics labs, teaching environments, and DIY projects that require consistent and accurate waveform generation. Number 3. OWON DGE 2035 and DGE 2070 Waveform Generator. The OWON DGE 2035 and DGE 2070 are high-performance waveform generators built for serious lab use. Offering up to 70 MHz bandwidth, 300 MSS sampling rate, and 14-bit resolution, they deliver extremely precise and low-distortion signals. Dual-channel output, advanced modulation functions, and a 3.6-inch color display enhance usability. With multiple waveform types and professional-grade accuracy, this generator is perfect for R&D labs, engineers, and advanced testing environments. Number 2. FeelElec FY2300 DDS Signal Generator. The FeelElec FY2300 is a compact yet capable dual-channel DDS signal generator supporting up to 20 MHz output. It produces stable sine, square, triangle, and arbitrary waveforms with impressive accuracy. The aluminum alloy shell improves durability and heat dissipation, while the clean interface makes operations simple. Ideal for electronics repair, education, and hobby labs, this generator delivers reliable performance without unnecessary complexity, making it a great choice for everyday signal testing tasks. Number 1. UNI-T UTG 932E and UTG 962E Waveform Generators. The UNI-T UTG 932E and UTG 962E are premium-grade function and arbitrary waveform generators designed for professional applications. With up to 60 MHz bandwidth, 200 megasamples per second sampling rate, and 14-bit resolution, they deliver highly accurate and low-noise signals. Dual-channel output, advanced modulation, and a built-in frequency meter make them ideal for precision testing. If you want lab-level performance, reliability, and advanced features in one device, this is the top choice. A good waveform generator ensures accurate testing, clean signals, and reliable results. These 5 models offer excellent frequency range, waveform flexibility, and value for different needs. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional engineer, there's a perfect option here. Which one fits your lab best? Comment below and subscribe for more tech reviews.